Hey everybody, we're back here working on the BT200X, the one that we like to call the submarine. I was out riding with my wife and she dunked this one in the water, so we had to put a new engine on it. She got fully submerged, but got the torque converter on this one. Just got some new, sweet new 20-inch tires for it. But one of the things, I love these bikes, one of the things I don't like about them is the handlebar seems so narrow. So in this video, I've got the Mega Moto 212 bars. You can see they're quite a bit longer, well, a couple inches longer, but should give a little bit more. So we're going to switch over the handlebars from the stock ones to these nice big Mega Moto 212s. Let's see how this goes. Should be pretty easy. Looks like all we got to do is take these 4 bolts off, loosen up the handlebar here and these 2 screws, and looks like it's 1 or 2 screws back here for the kill switch. Everything should slide off, and then putting it on the new bars and seeing if it lines up. Here we go. All right, so we got the new bars on. Just took it for a rip. I don't have a camera mount, so I can't film doing the rip, but you can see, if I step back, how much wider that looks. The stock bars I just measured are about 25 inches from end to end, which to me, that was my biggest complaint. It felt like they were super narrow. These bars are almost 30 inches end to end, so they're almost 5 inches longer. So makes a huge difference, super easy. I think the whole thing took me about half hour to do. So highly recommended. Got these from Go Power Sports. They have everything you need. All right, so that's that. Thanks for watching, and we'll get some more videos once I can order some more parts from Go Power Sports, put them on here, and get some more projects and videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.